Welcome to our family, friends, and alumni of the Lake Geneva School of Cooking. I am your chef. I'm Chef John, and today promises to be a wonderful day. Right? We're all getting ready for our Valentine's celebration tonight. It's going to be a great menu, but yet the real reason why we're here is because we're going to announce our 2023 Chef of the Year. Very special day. This chef will be all year long. You come in and join us, and we'll win a $200 gift certificate for a future class. I'm going to bring in my partner here, Chef Jake. And Jake, are you ready to announce the Chef of the Year?
Yeah, Chef.
Beautiful. And who do we have here? Drum roll. Lori Burke. Oh, Lori, you look great. What a great picture. She got some beautiful beads on here. She was here last year, our February Chef of the Month for Family Friends in New Orleans. She made a beautiful pork tenderloin with a Merchant de Vin sauce. Butter whipped potatoes. Look at her whipping those potatoes, Jake. Right? That's awesome.
Beautiful,
what a great smile. Yes, so she's going to win a $200 gift certificate for her next class. And then we have a winner for someone who voted for Lori on her Facebook page. And that is a young lady from Rockford, and Heather Duich. Heather Duich from Rockford, you win a $100 gift certificate. We're going to put it right in your account, and please join us. You have a whole year to join us and have fun cooking with Chef Jake and myself. And 2023 promises to be a great year for everyone here at the Lake Geneva School of Cooking. Bon appetit.